What's up, my fellow dessert enthusiasts? Are you ready for a treat that's going to make you go, yummy yum yum, with every bite? Well, look no further, because we've got just the thing for you. Rainbow Fruit Skewers with Chocolate Fondue. First things first, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need for this amazing recipe. You'll need 2 cups of strawberries, 1 pineapple, 2 kiwis, 1 cup green grapes, 1 cup of red grapes, wooden skewers, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, ½ cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and if you're feeling extra, a ½ cup of crushed peanuts or walnuts. Now that we've got our ingredients, it's time to start prepping that fruit. Rinse the strawberries and pat them dry with a paper towel, then slice them in half lengthwise. For the pineapple, cut off the top and bottom, slice off the skin. Don't worry, we won't judge if you accidentally cut off too much, and cut it into 1-inch chunks. For the kiwis, slice them in half lengthwise, scoop out the flesh with a spoon. This is the fun part, trust us, and cut it into 1-inch chunks. Finally, rinse the grapes, pat them dry, and then let's get skewering. Assemble your fruit onto the wooden skewers, mixing and matching different colors of fruit for that Instagram-worthy rainbow effect. Now, are you ready for the piece de resistance? It's time to make that chocolate fondue. In a saucepan, heat the heavy cream and sugar over medium heat until hot but not boiling. Remove from heat, add the semi-sweet chocolate chips and vanilla extract, then whisk until it's all melted and smooth like chocolate fondue. Dip those rainbow fruit skewers into that melted chocolate goodness. And if you're feeling fancy, roll them in some crushed peanuts or walnuts for some extra crunch. Trust us, you'll be in dessert heaven with every bite. And that's it, my friends. Rainbow fruit skewers with chocolate fondue that's not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. So what are you waiting for? Get your ingredients ready, call your friends over, and let's make some dessert magic. Thanks for watching the Crooked Recipes channel. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment below and hit the subscribe button for more easy recipe videos like this one. See you soon.